Welcome to this video on the half-price metro. We'll explore why New Zealand's infrastructure costs are double what they should be, and outline a pragmatic blueprint to fix it. As one former CEO stated, some projects could have been delivered for half the cost. New Zealand has taken a 30-year holiday from significant infrastructure investment since the 1990s. This has led to a massive backlog, driving up costs and straining local capacity, resulting in a multi-billion-dollar deficit. The absence of a continuous pipeline of large-scale projects, or missing megaprojects, drives top talent offshore. For instance, Australia has the $30 billion inland rail, while Auckland has 0 multi-billion-dollar projects. This disjointed pipeline causes a talent exodus. New Zealand is fast but fragmented in infrastructure execution, plagued by expensive, one-off projects and a lack of long-term commitment. This contrasts with Australia's volume play of continuous, multi-billion-dollar transport spending, and Ireland, which is hamstrung by regulation and trauma. The City Rail Link, while an engineering marvel, is a financial anomaly. By examining the cost drivers, we find systemic flaws. Estimated potential savings, if built using European lean methodologies, are 50%. Auckland imported a, quote, premium mindset from expensive metros like London, Singapore, and Hong Kong. This bypasses the lean, stripped-down methodologies used in continental Europe, leading to higher costs. Comparing Auckland's City Rail Link to the Copenhagen Metro reveals the brutal cost of overspecification. Auckland uses larger trains and stations and includes more escalators and public toilets. Copenhagen built a network of small, disciplined stations at a quarter of the cost. The future-proofing fallacy is building massive infrastructure for capacity, like 200-meter platforms, which doubles construction costs. The frequency fix of Europe uses smaller trains continuously on 60-meter platforms, reducing cost and arriving every 80 seconds. The cathedral tax illustrates the long-term operational burden of gold plating. Replacing 12 complex escalators per station compared to Copenhagen's 2 compounds operating costs exponentially over the asset's lifespan, creating an OpEx sinkhole. The aesthetic choice limits affordability. Building the cathedral, beautiful landmarks, means affording only one. Prioritizing the utility, industrial, functional infrastructure allows for a complete transport network, a necessity for a country with finite wealth. Blueprint Mandate 01 calls for brutal discipline by aggressively halting, gold plating, and stripping the scope of projects. Independent, lean-focused experts must challenge agencies on cost-cutting before funding is locked in, helping New Zealand survive its infrastructure deficit. New Zealand needs more Dunedin models, highly functional projects built at a fraction of the cost. The Christchurch model, while providing civic pride, has premium specifications that lead to quadrupled costs. Fiscal survival requires accepting the Dunedin approach. Blueprint Mandate 02 focuses on the pipeline effect. The one-off trap causes expertise to leave and requires starting from scratch. The committed pipeline retains talent, scales up industry, and drastically lowers costs by committing to multiple projects. The second Harbour crossing is the next test. Applying brutal discipline suggests a tunnel over a bridge. A tunnel is cheaper to bore, faster to execute, and causes minimal surface disruption, making it the most cost-effective path forward. Infrastructure is identity and an investment in the future wealth of the country. To stop slipping backward, New Zealand must shift its political mindset. We must move from building one-off cathedrals to building a continuous, committed pipeline.